Hey guys, what's going on? And welcome back to another video. Today, we are playing some Shotgun Farmers, but it's different. As I said that, I actually clicked this. See, you can do this. Anyways, you're probably wondering how it's different. I mean, it's in the title. Not the thumbnail, though, because I don't know how to make them. Mainly because I don't have Photoshop, because I can't afford it. Oh well. Yeah, that was probably really bad mic quality just there. Yeah, I don't know why I did it. No, really kept it on there. Anyways, what we're doing is shovel only. So for this, I will be using to give me the most chance of winning the bat. No, it does not give me any in-game advantages. It's just because it's a bat and most likely a weapon. Anyways, I would have Friday Night in the background, but they're watching like this Skyrim Twitch thing where like every time this guy dies, he punishes himself in like some random way. I don't know. I have no idea about Twitch. I don't have an account for it or Skyrim. Don't even own it. And you know what? I do have a comment with that. Punishment. This whole challenge is gonna be a punishment. Yeah. Oh, so this is the first challenge video, and it's on Shotgun Farmers. So I mean, I'd say this is going heavy. Now, I'm probably going to go until I can get like more than 10 kills, 5 maybe. Or I run out of time because I try keeping them 20 minutes or lower. Depends on the game though, but this, I'm going. Anyways, let's just go. Attack! My first victim. Yay, my God. Ooh, okay, this will be my first victim. He just picked that up. Yeah! Woo! Content drop. If this drops, what I think it's gonna drop. Ow! Oh, I got squished by it. Yeah, I got you for it though, so that's pretty nice. Okay, 2 kills. No, never mind, that was an assist. 1 kill. And that's the sound of my mic dying. Yeah, I'm just gonna. Oh, that's what I get for joining the game. Okay, well that took up some time. No, I won. I have my mic off it now, so that's why you can't hear me as well. But no, I don't want to equip a bow hat. So look at the ocean side. I just want to win, at least. Maybe get like first place, but that's gonna be pretty hard when all I have is a bat. So yeah, I know, great challenge. I know I'm so an inventor. Actually, I'm not sure if anyone else has done this. And someone else has probably done it. Anyways, shovel only. Let's yeah, not fun. But I think I'm gonna sneak up on people. It's gonna be my strategy. Like this. Hiya! 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 Yeah! Yeah! No, get over here. Get over here. No, you stole my kill. I'm doing the challenge. It's not you. What just happened there? Like, I saw a sniper shot, a shotgun shot, and I don't know what else, and I just went flying. Ragdoll. Anyways, though, oh, wait, I can still find this person. I'm the king of the world! I see someone. Attack! Hiya! Ow. Anyways, what was I gonna say? Oh, yeah. Expect the console video. Actually, no, my mic doesn't work with that well for it, though. But I don't know. There is one. Huh, headshots work for this. Nice. And that also wasn't a headshot, though. Nice. someone shot me. I think someone shot me with the... Yeah, someone had that thing which heals you. Yeah, I mean, I think it saved my life. No, but yeah, actually, I'm not sure if I'll do a console video though, cause, my mic, for some reason, doesn't work that well for my controller. If I find another controller, I have another controller, it's just the controls for it are very, very wonky. And by wonky, I mean scuffed. And by scuffed, I mean blocked. I know, many definitions. I mean, it's not too, it's playable, it's just, like, one of the things I think is, like, the joystick for it is, like, once you press it once, your character just keeps going. And that can get very annoying. But hey, I mean, we can turn it into a video. Title of the video, I play insert game with scuffed controller. Ba-da-da-da-da-da. Hey, look, a content drop. I'm also gonna steal the thing just so I can get it and no one else can. Because that'll give me an advantage. Hiya! Hiya! Hey, just got an achievement, Grave Digger. Hiya! Got him. Got another one. Let's go, 12 kills. If we win this, I win the challenge. I actually have the most kills, which is amazing. We need to win this. Hey, yeah. Ah. Okay. Hiya. No. Nope. That's my alt tab. I mean, that's amazing. Is my score actually only what? Oh, you can only get score from playing the objective. Oh, that makes sense. First place, first place, first place. Playing the objective. 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 Hiya. So I have more than 10 kills, so now I can just play the objective without having to worry about getting more than 10 kills. It's like a secondary challenge for this is getting first place. Triple kill, let's go. Playing the objective. Playing the objective. Someone saved me there. Playing the objective. Playing the objective. Playing the objective. Ah! Well then. That was eventful. Content drop. Content drop. Content drop. Objective. 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 My objective, I mean personal objective. Really? I can use that as like a scope. For like a scope. Even though the map is crazy small and there's no reason for that, but I want to be smart. I just got killed by an invisible person. Yay! 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 You know what would really make that OP? If I... You know those little wavy marks you see on the ground on like the street and stuff when it's really hot outside? Like people could, and imagine if those were in the game, and like it could just really mess people up, especially on the other side. I don't know if you guys have seen it yet, but those of you who play this game and have seen it, roadside, like there's a lot of, or there's a road, but there's a lot of concrete and stuff, and oh, okay. He was not a YouTuber. Anyways, but there's a lot of that, so like if that was in the game, like those little baby marks, that would make the invisibility seem so overpowered because it kind of looks like that. Oh, invisible only game mode though, like broken. Yeah, broken. So I was checking a text message. Where'd that person go? Everyone! Well, and the video, I'm kidding, the video is like only 10 minutes long. I'd say if we, one more win. We have to get one more win with 10 more kills. I had 20 kills. Well then. Oceanside. I was like doing crazy good with Oceanside. No, okay, I guess we don't want the Oceanside. Huh. No Oceanside. I have to get First Blood, and if First Blood is a shovel kill, I will be very happy. The other one is a pineapple kill, and that's basically impossible. Chicken run! Let's go! Yeah. Oh, I have the chicken! I have the chicken! First place, first place, first place, first place, first place. First place, first place. First place! I was struggling with that ladder. First place! Oh, you scared me there. Yeah. First place, first place, first place. Really? There. No! Huh. I was my personal security guard. First place, first place. Personal security guard. We are. Yay! Now I can get my kills unless someone passes me. Which would be crazy because it's very hard to do that. All I'm gonna do is like stay around this dude so that I can get as many points as possible. Hiya! Just want my kill. Watch out! Mr. President, get down! Run, chicken, run. Run, chicken, run. Run, run, chicken, run. I'm too good. I'm too good. I said I'm too good. Why can't I be too good? Hand me the chicken. Give me the chicken. Give me the chicken. Oh no. Yes, points, points. No. I need like 4 more kills. I'm an aggressive chicken player. Most contradicting role ever. Ah! Okay. 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 Oh, dun, 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 dun. Dun. Oh, flip. My mic died again. Okay, and we're back. Sorry, I didn't realize my charger for my mic fell out, and that like scuffed it, and it basically I had Vita picked it up. Come on, just need a few more kills, like 2 more. Just let me get the kill. there's someone else. There's someone else. Come on, come on, come on. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. The intensity is real. Someone else. Yes! 10. 11. No. I go win this for the game. For the game. For the game. For the game. I mean, for the team. Yeah. Woo! Let's go. And yeah. I'd say that was a fun video. Wasn't as torturing as I thought it would be. So basically, what we did is caught the chicken, dropped the chicken, and beat people up with a shovel. Fun video, I know. Hope to do more challenges, and see you guys next time. Like and subscribe. Unoriginal, but why not?